Alright guys, so just gonna be a quick video for you guys. Take a look at this. That's right. I'm now on Skype, but I'm not gonna use it yet, but I'm gonna use it in the future sometime. So as you can see, I got $0 for now, but I'm not gonna be. Okay, I won't be using it yet. So my username is Mr. Video Dude 709. That's the name, but the real username is Joe 2012. Anyway, so Sam downloaded it right now. Anyway, so see you guys later. So we're clear. Bye.